Hey, welcome to the show. Let me ask you something real quick. When you hear digital marketing, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Facebook ads, SEO, maybe some guy in a hoodie typing hashtags. Yeah, that's what they want you to think. But here's the truth. If your idea of digital marketing is still stuck in 2019, you're already losing. Because in 2026, the game has completely changed. And today, I'm going to show you what digital marketing actually is now. No fluff, no textbook definitions, just the real deal. Stick with me for the next 15 minutes, and by the end, you'll understand why most courses out there are teaching you outdated garbage and what you should be learning instead. Let's go. Alright, so why are we even talking about this? Because right now, there are two types of people learning the digital marketing. Type 1, people watching free YouTube videos from 2020, learning about 10 types of digital marketing and memorizing definitions like it's a school exam. Type 2, people who understand that digital marketing in 2026 is about human behavior, attention, and automation. And they're the ones getting hired, getting clients, and actually making money. You want to be type 2, and that starts with understanding what this field actually is today. Forget the textbook. Here's what digital marketing really is. Digital marketing is the art and science of capturing attention, building trust, and guiding people to take action using digital platforms, data, psychology, and automation. Let me break that down in plain English. First, capturing attention. This is step 1, and it's harder than ever. Why? Because your audience is drowning in content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, LinkedIn, Netflix, Spotify, WhatsApp groups. Everyone is screaming for attention. Your job as a marketer, stand out in 3 seconds or die. That's why hooks matter. That's why storytelling matters. That's why boring ads get skipped and forgotten. Second, building trust. Okay, you got their attention. Now what? Now you need them to trust you, because people don't buy from brands anymore, they buy from people they trust. That's why personal branding blew up. That's why user generated content works better than polished ads. That's why influencers make more money than TV commercials. Trust equals conversions. No trust equals no sales. Simple. Third, guiding them to take action. This is where the money is made. You captured attention, you build trust. Now you need them to click a link, sign up for a webinar, buy a product, book a call, subscribe to your email list. And this is where funnels, landing pages, email sequences, retargeting ads, and psychological triggers come in. Fourth, using data, psychology, and automation. Here's the kicker. In 2026, you're not doing this manually anymore. You're using AI tools to write copy, design creatives, and analyze campaigns. Automation to send emails, follow up with leads, and nurture customers. Data to track what's working and what's not. So you can double down on winners and kill losers fast. That's the game now. And if you're not using these tools, you're already behind. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're scrolling Instagram. You see a reel from a guy talking about productivity hacks. It's funny, relatable, and you watch the whole thing. You check out his profile. He's got a free guide in his bio. You click it, you enter your email. Boom, now you're on his email list. Over the next 5 days, you get emails from him, tips, stories, case studies. He's building trust. Then on day 6, he pitches his course. You buy it for 2,999 rupees. That's digital marketing in 2026. He captured your attention with a reel. That's content marketing. He built trust through value and storytelling. That's email marketing. He guided you to take action with a strategic funnel. That's conversion optimization. And he did it all using automation. Once the funnel is set up, it runs 24 by 7. That's marketing automation. See, it's not magic, it's a system, and you can build it too. Now, let's kill some myths right now. Myth number 1, digital marketing is just posting on social media. Wrong. Social media is one tool. Digital marketing includes paid ads, SEO, email marketing, content creation, automation, analytics, and more. If you think it's just posting memes, you're in for a rude awakening. Myth number two, you need a huge budget to succeed. Wrong again. Some of the best marketers I know started with zero budget. They used organic content, free tools, and smart strategy. Money helps you scale, but it doesn't replace skill. Myth number three, digital marketing is oversaturated. It's too late. Nope. Yes, there's competition, but most people are doing it badly. If you learn the 2025 to 2026 methods, AI, short form video, behavior based targeting, retention marketing, you'll stand out like crazy. Myth number four, you need a degree or certification to get hired. False. Companies don't care about your certificate, they care about results. Show them a portfolio, case studies, or even test campaigns you ran, and you're in. Alright, here's your homework before the next episode. Go to YouTube or Instagram, find three ads or pieces of content that made you stop scrolling, screenshot them or save them. Now ask yourself, why did it grab my attention? What emotion did it trigger? Did I trust the person or brand? Why or why not? Write it down. This is how you start thinking like a marketer, not a consumer. Listen, I know this might feel overwhelming. New terms, new tools, new strategies. But here's the truth, digital marketing in 2026 is the best time to start. Why? Because the old gatekeepers are gone. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need 10 lakhs to run ads. You don't need connections. You just need curiosity, consistency, and the right guidance. And that's exactly what this course is going to give you. So, buckle up. Over the next few weeks, we're going to break down every single piece of this puzzle: organic growth, paid ads, automation, AI tools, freelancing, getting clients, everything. By the end, you're going to look at digital marketing and think, oh, that's it. I can do this. Because you absolutely can. See you in the next episode. Let's get it.